Good morning, friends. This is Step Up to Third Grade Lesson 1, which is 923, 924. It's focused on multiplication, understanding that multiplication is actually just repeated addition. This is some of that reasoning. And can you write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12 as a multiplication equation? Explain. Can you write 1 plus 5 plus 7 equals 13 as a multiplication equation? Explain. Those are kind of the two that you have to think about is yes, because we have some repeated equal groups here. Repeated addition, same number. Here you couldn't, absolutely, because you have 1 and 5 and 7. When you multiply, this is 3 fours, right? Or 4 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 threes equals 12. You have to put your name on it. Here, you just can't do it. You don't have equal groups. You need equal groups to add. Repeated addition to do multiplication is not going to work. It says write an addition equation and a multiplication equation to solve this problem over here. Oh, down here, and then over here we're going to do 2 more. So it says Matt buys 3 bags of apples. There are 6 apples in each bag, so you need a multiplication equation and an addition equation. Well, 3 bags of apples, there's 6 in each bag, so 6 apples plus 6 apples plus 6 apples equals 18. 6 in each bag, there's 3 bags, which is 3 groups of 6. And when you do multiplication, it's just groups. 3 groups of 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. So here it says 2 groups of. I have 2 groups. 1, 2, 2 groups of 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6, or 2 groups of 3 equals 6. And then down here, groups of 2. How many groups of 2? There's 3 groups of 2, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, and 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Just you can see how these two flip around. They're the same. Answer, different groups. All right, so down at the bottom, you're going to do the same type of activities. You're going to say 2 groups of how many, 3 groups of how many, and you're going to write a repeated addition and a multiplication equation to go down at the bottom. And down here, it's going to be in 8 through 11, complete each question, use counters or pictures, draw help. You don't really probably need at this point pictures. We're just going to solve those problems down at the bottom. On the back, a little bit of problem solving is Lily has 8 eggs. Draw pictures to show 2 different ways. Again, you're going to have pictures. 2 ways Lily can make 8 equal groups of 8 eggs. She's got 8 eggs. You're going to come up with 2 ways to make equal groups. Erin reads 54 pages of her book. The book has 93 pages in all. How many pages does Erin have left to read? Show your work. Chris says she can write 2 different equations to show 15 as repeated addition. Is Chris correct? George says you need equal groups to multiply. Is George correct? Why or why not? You can explain why. Why not? Then down here, Zoe has 10 stickers. She puts them in 2 groups of 5. How can you represent this? Choose all that apply. 2 groups of 5. And Drew earns $6 each week. He wants to know how much money he will have saved after 5 weeks. How can you represent this? Choose all that apply. $6 each week, 5 weeks. Which work? Any questions? Come see me. Get done. Turn it in.